Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you what I think is one of the biggest opportunities to make money online in 2023. This is going to be using print on demand, which is a fairly hands-off method once you get the hang of it. And it's also using Shopify and Shopify SEO logic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some interesting examples of websites that I've found, mainly built on Shopify, and how they are ranking for some pretty interesting keywords. So what I did was I went on Google. Yeah, I'm in Italy, etc., but like the fact that you can still rank for something like a keyword funny t-shirt. You might say that this isn't how people in Italy Google this, but yeah, a lot of people would probably just Google it like this. And what I want to talk about is kind of the fall of like in process fall of websites like Redbubble. Obviously Amazon is pretty stable and will always be hard to beat. TeePublic and all these print on demand platforms that have very low bars of entry and they allow a lot of spam onto their platforms, and they ban a lot of people who may actually legitimately be trying to work on their platform. And what's happening is it's just being overtaken by spam. And what I wanted to show you is the interesting trend that I've noticed in independent websites, such as this one here, actually being on the first page for this keyword. Now, just in the interest of doing a fair experiment, let's use Ahrefs to actually check in somewhere like America. So apparently people don't search funny t-shirt. They probably put a dash in it. I'm surprised by how low they're saying this is. I really don't think it's that low. Maybe the keyword is funny shirts. So what we'll do is we'll do funny shirts. Okay, this says 36,000. Let's have a look. TeePublic, Redbubble, Snog tees, crazy dog t-shirts are here for such an insane keyword. Moonshot, this is another Shopify website. Let's have a look at this one as well. I haven't seen this. So let's check if this is Shopify. I'm pretty sure it's Shopify, but we're going to right click inspect, Control F, Shopify. Yes. So what I'm trying to get across to you is that if you have a well-built, it's not even well-built, it's literally not even loading. What is this website? Okay, so if you just build any kind of website with a lot of content on, this just isn't loading, that's hilarious, then you can see how easy it might be to rank for some very, very interesting keywords. And basically all you have to do this would be, well, there's a couple of things you have to do. Let's go on Excel draw. So you need a Shopify store, and you need something like Printful or Printify. I'm not really going to recommend one necessarily. Like I personally don't know which one's better. It seems Printify has more products though, which for me is really important because like I'm going to go through the whole like theory of the process here. I'm not really going to show you myself doing it, but I'm just going to give you the process of what you would do. So you would build out the Shopify store. So you'll just do a really basic store to start with. So you can even make a free one if you Google Shopify partners, Shopify, and then just make a free account, and then you can actually make a developer store. And that means you don't have to pay, so you can kind of experiment with this. And then if you don't like the idea or it's not working for you, or if you just want to give yourself time to build in the background and have everything ready before you kind of launch on Google or launch the website, because you can always turn a developer store into an actual store. So once you've built out a very simple Shopify store, just with kind of a theme, Dawn theme probably, nice layout, you don't have to worry really about SEO yet. Just get all that done, make us all the social medias, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're going to be using those later. So we'll put that as the second step. So social media, the more social media you have, the better, because we're going to be using, this is like a long-term SEO strategy. Okay. We're probably not even going to be using ads, although you could use ads. You could definitely use a performance max campaign if you're going to do this. Once you've done the social media, you've got a logo, etc. You could use Midjourney or Canva. You just get something out there, give yourself a decent logo, decent name, etc. And then you want to start adding products. So on Printful or Printify, you can basically add products one by one, or you can add them en masse using tools. But it's actually a very quick process. It's a very, very quick process. So what I would recommend is, if you're just starting off, would be text-based designs, because they're super, super easy to make. All you need to do is you could probably just do a 2800 by 2800 design on Photopia. Really, really simple to do. So just get a new one, do 2800 by 2800. This is just I'm not gonna actually do anything here. I'm just showing you how easy it is. And then just click text, write something, find a keyword, find something funny that's trending, popular at the moment. So if you don't know how to find those kind of keywords, you're in luck. I used to make videos about this kind of stuff. So if you just go on my channel and go on playlists, where it says multiple playlists, you'll see complete step-by-step free course to starting, print on demand, Redbubble, etc. So this is full of really, really good keyword methods to find just trending stuff. When you are making this trending stuff, so when you're uploading a design, once you've designed it, downloaded it, now you're in like the bit with the product, the description, the product title, etc. There's also tags. Now you might think that tags are going to be pointless here, but they're actually probably the most important part of the process that I'm laying down in this video. The reason tags are so important is because when you have tags, you can make collections. So there are other ways to do this. You could, for example, this isn't going to be as effective, but you could write funny in the title. There are several ways to make Shopify collection. It's not just on tags. Tags is definitely the easiest though. So you could even use something like ChatGPT. So you can write yourself a title that's like 12 words, descriptive, describes everything that you can see in the picture, on the t-shirt, whatever it might be. And then you can get ChatGPT to generate you some tags, and then you can put those tags there if you don't want to spend time doing it yourself. But once you've got the tags, so what you can do to think of some tag ideas, for example, is you can actually take Crazy Dog T-shirts website, go on Google, do site, and then do crazydogtshirts.com/collections. You can have a look what they're ranking for. Hilarious socks, funny uncle, funny, not going to say that, funny ninja flip, funny mug, sarcastic introvert. So you can almost guarantee that these guys have already done the SEO research. So you can kind of jump in, see what's working for them, and just make all of these. Because all of these, there's a reason that they make these. They know what they're doing. They're doing the process that I'm telling you in this video, probably automated, and they're probably making a lot of money from it. So this can really help you see how they're going to be getting all of their traffic, okay? Like something like hilariously retired, collections retirement. Let's go on Ahrefs, and we're going to put that collection in the site explorer. So we're going to put the entire domain. I'm just curious. This might not be ranking for much, to be honest with you, but I feel like they know what they're doing. 75 keywords. Yeah, you can see. Look at that. So let's have a look at some of these keywords, and you can tell me whether you think they're worth it or not. Funny retirement shirts. So this is a classic example of what we call a buyer keyword. When someone writes the word shirt after a search query, they are looking to buy a shirt. So although it only has 500 searches a month for this one keyword, everyone, probably, you could say probably 90% of people, probably about 90% of people who search this, and this is just in America, are looking to buy a t-shirt. Think about that for a second. And this is just one keyword on one collection. And all they've done is the exact thing that I'm showing you in this video. They have just uploaded a load of products, probably automated. They might even have their own system, I'm not sure. And they have probably organized it by tags. So let's take this as an example, the retirement t-shirt. Let's say we make this t-shirt here. Don't copy people's designs exactly, but you can take inspiration from people's designs. I'm retired, I'm free. So what you do is you just go on Photopia, you just make a very simple design, download it, upload it, and then as a tag, you put retirement. That's literally it. That's all these people are doing. And then they're spreading this over several products. So they've got loads of different collections. They'll all be interlinked together, I'm guessing. I saw a lot of internal links on their homepage, for example. Let's see if they've got any more. No, they haven't, but what they've done is they've put it all in the navigation, which is something else that works really, really well for Shopify SEO when doing this method. So just think about the amount of SEO this generates just from such a simple website with automated uploaded products. They could have even just bought a load of designs on Fiverr and they just uploaded them automatically. So you can see they have Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, which are the three that I mentioned earlier. They also have Facebook, but I don't really rate Facebook. And look at this. I bet they're all the same pictures exactly. I know they're not. Yeah, so this is probably an automated system as well, probably using Zapier or something like that. And when they post to one, they will post to others, etc., etc. But yeah, they're absolutely killing it. They're really, really working on their authority by posting themselves all over the place, bringing lots of traffic from other places. It might have even been an expired domain because it is quite a generic domain. So they could have just bought this domain. They either bought it or they've just had it for a very, very long time. And it's just insane the amount of traffic that you can generate just from having a website like this. I've been wanting to make a video like this for a while because I personally think that this is one of the best ways to make money online right now, is selling something en masse and automated and like automatically uploaded, creating collections to capture a lot of organic SEO traffic, and then backing that up with social media traffic as well. I hope this was a good example, and I hope this inspires some people to have a look at this in some greater detail. If you want more videos like this where I talk about ways to make money online, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.